Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a surprise for you. I am hosting a giveaway. Drum rolls. Okay, that's not all. There are gonna be two winners. Yes, you heard it right. There are gonna be two winners. So before I get into the giveaway part of it, I realized lately that I haven't introduced myself in any of my previous videos, and I was like, what? I haven't introduced myself? That's so rude of me, right? So I thought, let's give an introduction first. So I am Keka Basu Mandal. Mandal is my middle name and Basu is my husband's name. So I've taken my husband's name as my middle name basically. And I've been married for 2 years. I'm 23 years old and we don't have any kids for now. And I have completed my MSc, and I think that's enough for now. So let's get into the giveaway part of it. So basically I have decided to give two different types of gifts for the winners. The first set of prizes that I have decided will be mostly skincare and hair care type of gifts, and the second set I'm going to give jewelries. I'm sorry guys that I'm swearing so much because I thought let's have a change of scenery, and I thought of shooting it on the terrace, and it's really hot and I'm sweating. Maybe I should have done it indoors, but then I thought let's have a change of scenery or the background. So yeah, here we are on the terrace, or one of the terraces actually. I have three. So let's get into the gifts part. So the first winner, there is no first prize or second prize. Basically there are going to be two winners. So one set of gifts that I have decided to give to one of the winners is this Inatur Daily Care shampoo. I have used this shampoo like quite a few times. Like the one that I have, this is a new one, don't worry. So the one that I have used, it softens the hair, it makes the hair really smooth and silky, and it's really good for daily care, and it's all herbal, so you don't have to worry about the harsh chemicals and all. So I thought, why not give it to one of my viewers or my subscriber. So basically this giveaway is to thank you all. And so yeah, that is the one of the gifts in one of the set of gifts that I decided to give to one of the winners. So this is the first product, Inatur Daily Care shampoo. The second gift that I have decided to put in the set of gifts is this Vanavidhi Italian Bergamot Luxury Shimmer Summer Shimmer. With the summer approaching, I thought this will be a good product that you should have with you. I have one of these myself and I use it. It has a very light tone and it adds shimmer to it. Has a shimmery glow, and it's good actually because you can kind of use it as a base to the foundation sometimes, because I sometimes use it. So I feel this is a good product, plus it's all herbal, all natural, it's paraben free, it's vegan, so you don't have to worry about the harsh chemicals again. So moving on to the third item that I have decided to add to the set of gifts is this Chronocare Mediterranean Citrus Hydrate and Untangle Conditioner. I thought if I'm giving a shampoo, why not give a conditioner as well. I have used this conditioner and shampoo together, and I like the conditioner and the shampoo, so yeah, I thought I'll give this shampoo this conditioner along with the Daily Care Inatur shampoo. This is also herbal product, it's paraben and SLS free, so you don't have to worry about any chemicals. So moving on to the fourth and the last item in the set of gifts, it's this sheet mask. If you remember that I've done a Korean sheet mask and Korean beauty products haul video from Skin 18, I think last month. So yeah, I thought I have used this Oasis Aloe Soothing Water Full Oasis mask. Basically I have used this sheet mask once, so I thought I'll include this with the giveaway. And by the way, this sheet mask is sponsored by Skin 18. So thank you Skin 18 for sending this sheet mask so that I can include it in my giveaway. And this sheet mask is really good because it, you know, it lightens the skin tone. If you take some time and watch my video on the Korean skincare products, and I had shot 2 videos like in consecutive days. I had shot this Korean skincare products one day, and I had shot, I think, Lady Raga's unboxing and reviewing video. So if you compare those videos, you'll see I had used the sheet mask on the day I had reviewed about the Korean skincare products. So if you watch both the videos, you'll see that there is a difference in my skin tone. I don't use any cosmetics when I film a video. What I use is basically the concealer and the what do you call it, compact. These are the 2 items that I use in every video. I don't use any other makeup, and other than that I use the eyeliner and lipstick. Those are the basic, but for face I use that. So if you see both the videos, you can see there's a, you know, difference in my skin tone. I look brighter in the Korean skincare video. So this is actually good. It lightens the skincare and it's supposed to whiten. So yeah, this is amazing. So I thought I'll give it to you as well. So yeah, that's all I have in one of the set of prices that I have decided to give you. This sheet mask from Skin 18, this Inatur hair care daily shampoo, and to back up the shampoo there is Chronocare hydrating conditioner, and to protect you from the summer heat, the Vanavidhi Oriental Italian Bergamot body shimmer, summer shimmer basically. So that is the first set of gifts. Let's get to the second set of it. Okay, the second set of gifts I have decided to, you know, include mostly jewelry items and some of the makeup products. So yeah, I'll get to this. Let's get to the jewelry part first. So the first jewelry item that I've included in the second set of gifts for you people is this gorgeous pair of earrings. I really love these kind of statement pieces because they are really nice, and I love these kind of earrings. So I thought I'll give one to you people as well. So it's this leafy earrings, really pretty, silver in color. So that's the first jewelry item. Moving on to the next jewelry items is this cuff bracelet, and it's really nice and pretty. It has this bronze and golden, you know, alternate bronze and golden loops. So I really like this one, so I thought I'll give it to you. And the third jewelry item that I've included is this gorgeous piece of ring, this gorgeous ring. This is adjustable, so you don't have to worry about the size of the ring. So yeah, this is the second item. Okay, so these are the jewelry items, and along with these jewelry items I have one more thing. I have few more things actually. I have decided to include Studio Gear Flawless Makeup this foundation. It's in the shade Honey Bronze Flawless. It's actually suitable for all skin types, so you don't have to worry about your skin type. So I thought, it's from Studio Gear of course, so I thought I'll give it to you people. And along with this I'm going to give this Lollipop from Paris concealer. This is in the shade Biscuit. This also is suitable for all skin types, so you don't have to worry about that. I'm sorry guys, I'm getting all sweaty because of the heat, but I wanted to do it outdoors. What to do? Anyways, please excuse that. Okay, and the last item that I've included along with the jewelry items in this set of gifts is this Aloe Soothing Waterful Oasis Mask. So basically I have 2 sheets of this Oasis mask for 2 of the winners, and these sheet masks are, you know, sponsored by Skin 18, so a big thank you to Skin 18. So let me just quickly recap you the second set of gifts that I have. First is this gorgeous pair of earrings, then there is this ring, then there is this bracelet or cufflink, whatever you can call, wrist cuff, and there is this Aloe Soothing Waterful Oasis mask, and then there is Lollipop's concealer, and then there is Studio Gear's matte foundation. So yeah, these are the two sets of gifts that I have decided to give to you people. So let's get to the rules part of it. So I have basically made a list of it because I thought maybe I'll forget. So anyways, so the first rule is you have to be my subscriber. Yes, that is the first rule, basic rule for everybody. So basically this giveaway is you have to help me get 500 subscribers. So help me reach 500 subscribers and I'll announce the winner after I reach or I get 500 subscribers on YouTube. So you have to be a subscriber, otherwise you won't be eligible, and you have to give this video a big thumbs up, of course, and then you have to comment down below that what is your favorite part of summer. You don't have to comment that you have participated or anything, don't say anything like that, just say what is your favorite part of summer, what you like about summer. And I was thinking of doing a Q&A video, so if you guys are interested to ask something from me, so you can ask that question in the comments below. And what else, yeah, if you have any suggestions or if you have any requests, if you want me to do any other video or something, you can say about it all in the comments below. And so yeah, I'll be announcing the winners for these giveaways along with the Q&A video that I'll do after I reach 500 subscribers. So help me reach 500 subscribers and you get the winner. Winner will be chosen all randomly, so there won't be any criteria that you have to do this or that. You basically have to follow all these rules that I say, and I'll choose the winner totally randomly. So yeah, that's there. And the next rule is you have to watch all my previous videos. There aren't many videos of them, so basically you have to watch all my previous videos, and you have, if you like them, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, then it's fine, and just comment something, anything about the video, so that I'll know that you have watched it. And yeah, that's all you have to do. And yeah, one more thing, since these sheet marks are sponsored by Skin 18, so you have to follow at least one of their social network. I'll mention the link to their social networks down below, so you have to follow at least one of them. If you want, you can follow all their social media, but at least one you have to follow. And I'll mention the links to all my social networks down below in the description box, so you have to follow me everywhere. Follow to unfollow will be blocked from future giveaways. Yes, I'll be hosting another giveaway in another 1 month or 2 months, so if you don't want to get blocked, don't follow to unfollow. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all. So yeah, that's all I had to share with you guys. All the best and help me reach 500 subscribers, and you'll have your winner, 2 winners, so you have double opportunity. So yeah, that's all I had to share with you in this giveaway video. And you stay tuned, because I received my MSM box April 2016, just like 10 minutes back before I started filming this video. So right down after I finish filming this, I'm gonna film the unboxing and review video of MSM box. So yeah, that's all I had to share with you guys, and stay tuned for the next one. Till then, take care.